You already know Vaseline, but what if I told you it's way more powerful than you think? Most guys only use it on their lips, and they're missing out on the best hacks. If you know how to use it the right way, Vaseline becomes one of the strongest looks-maxing tools for men. Cheap, simple, and effective. Today, I'll show you powerful Vaseline hacks every man should use for grooming, skincare, and becoming a cleaner, sharper version of yourself. Let's start. 1. Heal cracked lips fast. Dry, crusty lips ruin your entire look instantly. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline before sleeping. It heals cracks overnight and gives you naturally smooth lips. Zero lip balm needed. 2. Make your cologne last longer. If your perfume fades in 1 hour, you're doing it wrong. Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline on your pulse points, wrists, and neck. Then spray your cologne. The scent sticks to the moisturizing layer and lasts all day. Instant, expensive man upgrade. 3. Tame flyaways and fix rough beard edges. Got small hairs sticking out? Rub a tiny amount between your palms and smooth it over your hair or beard. It gives a clean, sharp, intentional look without using styling gel. 4. Prevent razor burn. After shaving, your skin becomes irritated and sensitive. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to calm the redness and protect your skin. Perfect for men with beard growth or sensitive jawline areas. 5. Fix dry skin and rough spots. Elbows, knees, hands, if they look dry, you look neglected. Apply Vaseline right after a shower. It locks in moisture and makes your skin look healthier and more polished. 6. Protect your skin in cold weather. Cold air destroys your skin barrier fast. Before going outside, apply a light layer of Vaseline on exposed areas like your nose, cheeks, and lips. It prevents cracking and keeps your face smooth. 7. Hydrate your cuticles for cleaner hands. Well-groomed hands equals high-status look. Massage a little Vaseline around your nails before sleep. It makes your hands look clean, healthy, and maintained. 8. Prevent chafing, especially for gym guys. If your thighs or underarms get irritated while running or lifting, apply Vaseline before working out. It reduces friction instantly and protects your skin. 9. Remove makeup stains, dirt, or oil. If you use sunscreen daily, which you should, Vaseline helps dissolve it at the end of the day. Wipe gently, wash your face, and your skin stays clean without stripping moisture. Vaseline isn't just petroleum jelly. It's a full grooming toolkit in one product. If you care about looking clean, sharp, and attractive, if you found this helpful, subscribe and tell me in the comments which Vaseline hack you're trying first.